Hey, what's up you guys? So today I'm going to be creating this look right here, and I'm using the Anastasia Subculture Palette in the shade Edge, and I'm using this precise brush right here. It's just like very a dense brush where you pick up, like if you get the shade, it like comes out very pigmented because it's like very stiff. So I'm just using this brush right here and I'm packing it on while I'm kind of like tapping it, like instead of blending, and then I blend at last. So you'll see right now. So I'm just packing that on and then I blend the outer just to have a very like blended effect. And I'm just speeding up the process right here. But that's what I'm doing. I'm just using that same shade. So yeah, basically here I'm just gonna be blending and blending until I'm satisfied with the effect. So right here I'm gonna be taking this Morphe Fluffy 504 brush, and I'm gonna be using that to blend out that shadow. So now I'm gonna be using this Morphe X JamesXCharles palette, my favorite palette, and I'm gonna be using the shade right here. We're gonna be using that shade in the inner of the crease to give it some kind of depth to the eyelid, so that way when we cut our crease it's gonna look very like bold kind of. So here I'm just kind of like, you know, packing it on, kind of blending, and you know, the more darker you get it, the better it looks when you cut your crease. I noticed that. So now I'm gonna be going with that Morphe 504 brush, that fluffy brush that I went in the beginning with, and we're gonna blend those two shades together, so that way you know, it's nice and blended, no harsh lines and stuff like that. Now I'm gonna be taking my Morphe 506 small brush, and we're gonna take that little fluffy brush and grab that shade right there above the black. It's like a dark color. It's almost black. It's like a dark brown. I love that color because it's almost black but not quite. So you use that all over the, you know, above your eyelid, so that way when you cut the crease it looks very good. So here I'm just packing on that color, and now I'm going to be using this Stila in the shade Spiritual Liquid Eyeshadow. I love this. I really do. Like, this just brought out the whole look out. Like, can you look at this? Like, look. Like, it just makes everything pop out. Me, I just love to be very bold. And now I'm going to be taking the JCat Gatsby Party glitter, and we're going to be using that glitter to put it on above our eyelid, like above that liquid eyeshadow. So that's what we're about to do. We're going to be using the dual clear glue, and I love using clear glue because it's better. And we're going to be using a Morphe 217 brush. It's like an eyeliner brush, but I love to use that to put like the glitter on top of that. As you can see, this brush right here. And I'm going to be adding the glitter, and I'm going to be using the Alamar Cosmetics and the Japanese small brush, and I'm going to be taking that shade right there called El Malecon, and we're going to put that in a brow bone. And then after that I'm going to be using the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation in the shade 140 Light Tan, and then we're going to take this beauty blender right here from Morphe and blend that out. And yeah, we're just going to blend our foundation out until it's flawless. So yeah, we're just going to be blending and blending and blending, you know. Got to make sure everything is blended nice and good, because you don't want no line and stuff on your face. Then we're going to be using this Tarte Cosmetics you know, Shape Tape concealer. I love this concealer. It's full coverage, and this is in the shade Light Sand, and I love this concealer because it's full coverage. Now we're going to be taking this Morphe 562 brush, and this one I usually use it to deepen up the crease with a darker color for a cut crease and then cut the crease, but this time we're going to be using this brush right here. We're going to take that shade Edge from the Subculture palette, and then we're going to put this on our lower lash line, and then right after that and put it in this clip. But you know, we're going to take the Subculture palette in the shade Rowdy, and it's a dark purple, but I'm using that just to deepen up the lower lash line. After that, we're going to be using this gold eyeliner. It's from the 99 Cent store, but you know, it's very poppin'. I get a lot of compliments on it, and we're going to put that right there in the inner of our eyes. And then we're going to take this Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream Palette in the shade Cinnamon. And I also like to contour right now because I'm very light complexion at the moment due to the quarantine, but it's all good. We got contour. So yeah, I'm taking this color right here in this shade Cinnamon, and I'm gonna contour, and it looks very fucking flawless. As you can see, it makes a big difference. But anyways, I don't really like to contour, but it looks very good on me, you know. And then I'm going to be taking this black Radiance True Complexion Loose Setting Powder in the shade Banana. And I'm going to, you know, bake a little bit. And then I'm going to use this JCat Beauty highlight in the shade Twilight. It is very poppin'. And then I'm going to take Maybelline waterproof mascara in the shade Black. And then Italia lip liner right here in the shade Brown. And then this Focalure, I don't know how to pronounce it, but yeah, Focalure in the shade Chestnut in my inner of my lips, you know, to give it an ombre effect. And then this is the final look. I mean, what do you guys think? Like, it's not the best, but you know, it is the best. What the fuck? But anyways, though, I hope you guys like it. And yeah, like, I never do voiceovers, but I only did one voiceover. But I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, you know. Let me know what you guys want to watch. You know, it don't have to be makeup videos. It could be anything. Like, what do you guys enjoy watching? Like, for example, I could do vlogging, like, you know, you guys could come with me wherever I go, you know, see what my life is like, you know. But anyways, like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.